In this video, we'll discuss responsive display ads, including how to create them in Google Ads. When you create a new display ad, you can choose between a responsive display ad, a responsive Gmail ad, or uploading your own image ads. Responsive display ads have the most reach out of all display ads. They automatically adjust in size, appearance, and format to fit any available ad space on the Google Display Network. For each ad slot, Google's machine learning model determines the optimal combination of your headlines and uploaded assets, including logos, images, and videos. To create responsive display ads, go to your Google Ads account and click on Ads and Extensions in the right navigation menu. Click the plus button. Select your display ad type. Select the campaign and ad group for this ad. Add and save your images. Below images and logos, click the plus button to add a YouTube link for your video. Complete your ad information. Preview your ad. Click Save. Learn more about the different display ad formats in any of these Ads Help Center articles.